Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson all live with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmood184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to ask in Arabic is there. How to ask is there in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'd be really grateful for this. This is really important for me. Thank you. And as we usually do, we take an example first. Okay, for example, is there a plan in your mind? Is there a plan in your mind? How to say this question in Arabic language? Well, we say هل توجد خطة في رأسك؟ هل توجد خطة في رأسك؟ Is there هل توجد a plan خطة in your mind في رأسك. هل توجد خطة في رأسك. Is there a plan in your mind? So is there means هل توجد or هل يوجد. هل يوجد for masculine, هل توجد for feminine, and after it there is a noun. If this noun is masculine, so we say يوجد. If this noun is feminine, so we say هل توجد. Okay, so is there food in the fridge? Is there food in the fridge? So first we say هل يوجد. هل يوجد. Is there طعام في الثلاجة. هل يوجد طعام في الثلاجة. Is there a food in the fridge. هل يوجد طعام في الثلاجة. We said يوجد because طعام is a masculine word in Arabic language. هل يوجد طعام في الثلاجة. Is there a pen in your bag. Is there a pen in your bag. So first we put هل يوجد. هل يوجد. Is there. Okay, a pen in your bag. قلم في حقيبتك. هل يوجد قلم في حقيبتك. Is there a pen in your bag. Or is there a cafe in this area. Is there a cafe in this area. هل يوجد. هل يوجد. Okay, a cafe. مقهى في هذه المنطقة. هل يوجد مقهى cafe في هذه in this. Okay, المنطقة area. منطقة means area. So هل يوجد مقهى في هذه المنطقة. I'm sorry. So هل يوجد or هل توجد means is there, and they are following by a noun. Okay, and if this noun is masculine we say هل يوجد, and if this name is feminine we say هل توجد. Okay, and that's the end of our lesson. Please guys, if you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you inshallah. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.